Hey guys, Kevin with Screaming Chicken here. Today we're going to show you our 67 through 69 ashtray switch panels. They let you go from this to this. Okay, here we have our 67 switch brackets. They will work in a 68 car as well, but you will have to use a 67 ashtray. The 68 ashtray is too short. And we have our 69 brackets. Both are available in bare aluminum or a powder coat satin black. You can set either of them up with 1, 2, or you can even fit a third button in there. However, they will come not drilled for buttons so that you can set it up how you prefer. The 67s install with 2 small rivets, and the rivet spots are already in the ashtray that you will drill out, and we'll show you that in a moment. First thing you're going to want to do is drill out the original rivets that are from the factory. So we're going to take our drill, and I've got an 1/8 inch drill bit in there right now that should hopefully do the job. If not, we'll step up to a slightly bigger one. We're going to drill the rivets out. I think we may have to step, we're going to have to step up to a little bit bigger bit. That's why I grabbed that up. No, dude. That one. Didn't go all the way through yet. There we go. And this will slide off just like so. Let's get our shavings out. Okay, next, want to remove this piece here. You can use a cutoff wheel, a Dremel, or we're going to use a big set of pliers and just work it back and forth. Off pretty clean. And then next we're going to need to drill a hole in the back for wires to go through. You can see it here. I'm just going to use a step bit for that. I'm going to try to have it centered up, or depending on which way you're going to run your wires for what you're going to use. Okay, be sure you deburr and clean up the hole. You don't want to cut your wires, so when you run them through, put some black tape or maybe a layer or 2 of shrink wrap around them. And that's good. I got all the sharp edges off. And then we're going to take and place the switch panel in here, and then we'll slide the cover back on. All right, a little side note, if you have one or can get one, an OEM 67 ashtray is a lot better to use. The bend for the guides and the stop work a lot better. The stop in the reproduction ones doesn't really work all that well, and the bend for the guide is wrong. For that reason, we don't sell the reproductions. You can see in this original one, we had it powder coated black. You may be able to see a little bit of evidence of rust, but this will work much better. You can get, if you do get a reproduction, we recommend just using the cover itself and try to use an original tray. Okay, once you've got the cover slid back on and the switch panel in place, you're going to turn it over, and you're going to have to line up the holes, and then take and slide a rivet through. And we're going to take our rivet gun. Every once in a while we have to pull the trigger twice on our gun. And then you can take and pull where'd the other rivet go? There it is. You may have to wiggle a little bit and get the other one in there. And then same thing, just run that rivet in. And now the panel is secure, the cover is secured, and this is ready to go back in. Okay, now with the 69, you'll still have to remove this as well. And then you'll have to drill a hole in the back. So we've already got this one pre-drilled. Then you'll take the panel and just slide it in. It's much easier, no rivets involved. Just push it in. If you did want to drill a hole and put a rivet in it, you could, but it's not necessary. All right, there you have it. It's a real simple install. If you don't have a first gen, we are working on a similar product for second and third gens. Here we have a prototype for a third gen coming soon. Also super easy install. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell so you know when our videos come out. And we'll see you next time.